Hello friends, very good afternoon to everybody. I'm Namita, your friend, welcoming you to my channel. So how are you my dear friends? I hope you all are doing well. So friends, today we'll see important questions of physical science. So many friends have requested me, ma'am please upload Pedagogy of Physical Science important questions. So today we'll see important questions of physical science. If it is possible, we will see important questions of mathematics also. Okay, so let's start the important questions. We'll see the important questions of physical science. See here, first one, meaning of curriculum is important, principles of curriculum is important. Now different approaches of curriculum organization, this also come in long question. Okay, different approaches of curriculum organization. So here whatever they can ask, logical approach or psychological approach, topical approach, concentric approach, so these all are important. Okay, and this one 1.3 science curriculum state position paper APSC F 2011, this also important. Okay, these are the important questions. One two question. See, qualities of a science textbook is important, learning resources for physical science, exploring alternative resources, this is also important. So total how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 questions are important. Here different approaches, so all approaches you have to read. Okay, so these are the questions of unit 1. Okay, now we'll see unit 2, important questions of unit 2. So what are the important questions of unit 2? This one, importance of practical work in science, 2.1. Then maintenance of laboratory register, this is also important. Now ICT and multimedia resources for teaching. Okay, this is important. Here self learning material SLM 2.5 is important. Now types of self learning material also important. Okay, so these 5 questions are important in unit 2. Unit 5 important questions are there. Okay, now we'll see unit 3. So how many questions are there? See, science fair and exhibitions, this is important question. Role of non-government and government organization in progression of science. Okay, role of government and non-government. Then use of knowledge resources. Then science communication in India. So here you have to study 2, Department of Science and Technology, DST, and NCSTC network. These 2 you have to study. Now one more question is there, National Teachers Science Congress, this is also important. So here also total 6 questions. Here total 6 questions are there, important questions are there. Now we'll see unit 4. So what are the important questions from unit 4? Professional development of physical science teachers, participation in seminar, conference, workshop, in service programs, this is important. Okay, see, from 2.2 only this will come to 2.2, 2.1, 2.22. see, so here seminar is there, so participation in seminar you have to study, participation in workshops. Okay, and works of how to membership in professional organization, teacher is a community of learners. So friends, 4.1 professional development of physical science teacher. Then from 4.2 you have to study this one, 4.24 participation in seminar, participation of workshops. Okay, then 4.3 membership in physical organizations, teacher as a community learner. Then 4.4 and 4.5 both are important questions. Role of reflective practices in professional development of physical science teachers. And 4.5 is teacher as a researcher, action, reaction, research in physical science, learning to understand how children learn science. This 4.4 and 4.3 is important. Okay, now we'll see important questions of unit 5. Important questions of unit 5. So what are the important questions of unit 5, friends? Evaluation of learning outcome in physical sciences, concept of, okay, you have to study this one. Okay, concept of test, examination, measurement and evaluation. So you will study what is test, what is examination, measurement and evaluation. Sometimes they will ask like what is difference between measurement and evaluation, or difference between examination and measurement, like that. Okay, so 5.1.1 you have to study. Now process of evaluation you will study, and qualities of a good test. Okay, and achievement test also important for me, I think, and participation of scholastic assessment, achievement test, SAT, and analysis and interpretation of test scores. This is also important. Okay, these are the important questions of physical science, all units. Now I will show you one question paper. This is the question paper of 1921. Okay, see what questions are came. Explain the learning resources for physical science. See what came here. Learning resources, I gave you now, learning resources for physical science. So the first question is explain the learning resource for physical science. What is the learning resources? What is the difference between the syllabus and curriculum? This is physical science and syllabus and curriculum. Syllabus and curriculum camps. Okay, friends, what happening means mathematics and physical science both are like same. Okay, you will get confused. Sometimes what I am doing means what I will study in mathematics I will write in physical science, because I will forget. Both are almost same only. Okay, so next, question number 2. What is first aid? See, this question came. What is first aid? How it is useful for science teachers? Okay. List out the different registers maintained in physical science. See, what questions I gave you. I gave you what is explain the learning resource. In this important question I gave. This also I gave. Okay, but here first aid I didn't give, but I gave you list out the different registers. See, maintenance of laboratory registers, list out. Okay, question number 3, how to develop scientific temper in your children's. Here write the role of government organization in propagation of science. See, I told you here, right? Government and non-government and government organizations. So here they asked about what? Government organizations they asked. Okay. Now explain action research in physical science. Action research in physical science. This question 4.4 action research in physical science. A science teacher is a role of learner. A science teacher is also a learner. Science teacher is also a learner. You have to write that one. Okay. Now write the different types of evolution. Write the different types of evolution. See, I didn't give you different types of evolution. I gave you what is process of evolution. Here question asked types of evolution, but I gave you the qualities of good tester. Qualities of good tester. Okay, so you can write the or one. Okay, no need to worry. Now long question. Prepare an achievement test for a topic of your choice with blueprint. Okay, blueprint is very important. Okay, and that is very easy. Blueprint is easy also. In mathematics also there, in physical science also there. So in math you will study means you can write in physical science. Just you need to change the names only. Okay, mathematics name, chapter names or subject name is different. Physical science chapter name or the names are different. Okay. Now write about NCF 2005, RT 2009. This is I think unit 1. Here NCF 2005. So for NCF 2005, friends, you study in book also, otherwise make from online you search some 10-15 lines and you read that and write what is NCF 2005 and RT 2009. Okay, you will study this one means it will help for you for your state B.Ed exams also there, right? For or CTET, OTET, OSTT. For these exams, these questions will come for NCF 2005, RT 2009. Okay, so you need to study these chapters very well. So these are the important questions of physical science. Okay, so friends, in next video we will see only mathematics. Okay, here only physical science. In next video we will see the important questions of mathematics. Okay friends, and if my videos are really helpful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so friends, I'm unable to make videos regularly because now my brother-in-law's marriage is there, so we are busy. After some days I will full get busy. I am unable to take out book also, so sorry for that. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Namaste.